Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best summer perennials for full sun, Axel's Garden Seeds Autumn Beauty Sunflower Mix. If you're looking to add a pop of color to your garden this season, this might just be the perfect option for you. This beautiful mix includes 25 heirloom, non-GMO sunflower seeds, each of which promises to deliver vibrant sunflowers in shades of bronze, gold, purple, mahogany, and yellow. These sunflowers are known for their explosive, 10-inch wide blooms that can light up your garden from summer to autumn. The Autumn Beauty Sunflower Mix is specifically designed for gardeners looking for a colorful, easy-to-grow option that thrives under full sun. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these sunflowers are beginner-friendly and come with easy-to-follow planting instructions. You'll be amazed at how quickly they grow once planted. In just about 90 to 110 days, you'll see these stunning flowers fully bloom, bringing joy and beauty to your home garden. This product comes in a full planting packet that not only contains 25 sunflower seeds but also provides clear instructions on how to plant them for the best results. You'll need to plant them in well-drained soil about ½ inch deep, and they require moderate watering to thrive. The Autumn Beauty Mix sunflowers are perfect for adding structure and interest to any outdoor space. They're not just great for your garden, they're fantastic for bouquets as well, so you can bring a touch of your garden's natural beauty indoors. Axel's Garden Seeds ensures that each packet is hand-packed with high-quality seeds, guaranteeing fresh garden seeds that will thrive in the current growing season and beyond. The packaging is also designed with a beautiful, full-color illustration that's as charming as the flowers it helps grow. The instructions on the back are user-friendly, guiding you through the process of creating a stunning sunflower display. These sunflowers are particularly suited for those who love bold, striking plants that are not only easy to maintain but also incredibly rewarding. Whether you're looking to fill an empty spot in your garden or create a beautiful flower border, these sunflowers are an excellent choice. Plus, because they are non-GMO and heirloom, you can feel confident that you're planting a product that's both sustainable and good for the environment. So if you're ready to transform your garden with some of the most vibrant and beautiful sunflowers around, give Axel's Garden Seeds Autumn Beauty Sunflower Mix a try. With just a little care and patience, you'll have a garden full of sunflowers that will turn heads and bring smiles to everyone who sees them. Thank you for joining us here at Product Critique, and happy planting!